Hello my dear students, very good morning, and today I am going to teach you chapter 10 second part. The name of the chapter is adjective degree of comparison, and today I will show you the different type of positive degree, how we write the different type of positive degree, meaning are same and we write different way, and sometimes we may think this one that this is a comparative degree, but actually this is not comparative degree, this is positive degree. So I am going to show you that how you have to write the positive degree. See here, mango is sweet, this is positive and there is no doubt, because we are talking about one object, mango is. There is no comparison, no other things. So here there is no confusions. Here mangoes are sweet. You can write singular, mango is, and if you write the plural, mangoes are. Mangoes are sweet. This is also not comparing. We are talking about the mango and quality. We are not comparing. So this is also positive degree. Next one is Ram is as good. Ram is a good boy. This is positive degree. And in this sentence, we are talking about the Ram only. We are not comparing with other man and other boy. And here, good is the quality of Ram. So here, good is positive degree, and here Ram is one person. So here it is positive degree. Next one, Ram is as good as Mohan. Here I said only one person. Positive means one person, one object. But here two names is coming. One is Ram is coming, another is Mohan is coming. So you may think this one that positive means one object, one name should come. But here two names is coming. But even though it is positive degree, how it is? Yes, it is positive degree, because when we write as good as, first is good is positive degree, and second is we use the as here and another as. It means that Ram is good and as well as Mohan is also good. Means both the persons having the same quality. They are not different. Comparative means always there should be different. But in this sentence there is no difference quality. They have the same quality, and that's why it is positive degree. Next one is same, it is Raju is as tall as his father. It means two persons. Here one Raju and here father, two persons. But we are telling that this is positive degree. Why? Because it is as. We have used the as, tall as. Tall is positive degree, and before as we have written one as here and here another as. It means that both the persons, Raju and father, both the person having the same quality, and their quality is not different, and that's why there is no comparison, or we are not comparing with the two persons, both having the same quality. And now I am going to show you some comparative degree. Now my dear students, and this is comparative degree. Mango is sweeter than apples. Comparative means we always compare between two person, two things, or two nouns. Here one is mango, another is apple. So we are comparing the two things. So this is comparative, and we have to write the comparative degree. This is sweeter is comparative degree, and then we have to write that. This is we have to write when we write the comparative. Next one is mangoes are sweeter than apples. Here you see mangoes and here you see apples. It means it is not one mango and it is not one apple. It is more than one, and it is also more than apple, more than one apples. But even though we are telling this one that this is two. Two means that mangoes means here one kind of mango, and apple is also one kind of apple. So here how many kind? One kind and another kind. It means two kind. We are comparing the two kinds, and we have used sweeter than. It means sweeter, comparative form. and this is comparative degree. Next one is my players are better than your players. Again you see players. Players means maybe 11, and again here players means 11. Suppose you are playing a cricket match. So here my players means 11 players and your player means also 11 players. So 11 plus 11, 22 players. And we say that we compare the two object, two person, but here 22 players. But here players means we have to think as a unit. Unit means you can write team. Suppose if you give the name of team is A, and this is also players means unit means team, and if you give the name of team is B. So here A and B, again we are comparing A and B, two object is coming, and we have used better. Better is comparative form. This is comparative degree. And where I am telling you that when it is comparative we have to use than. So see that here also than is there, here is than is there, here is than is there. But when we use elder, any sentence, suppose here he is my elder brother, we cannot use than. You cannot say he is elder than me. This is not possible. And if you want to write than in the comparative, then you have to use older. Both are adjective. Elder and older both are same. And if you want to write than, then you have to write older. He is older than me. And this is also comparative degree. Elder basically we use inside the family and relatives. And older we use when it is out of family, when it is among the friends, among other persons, not in the relative or the families. And we use older. And if it is family members, then we use elder. And I hope this one that you have understood this one. And if you have any confusion, and I will clear this one. That's all.